this wrap that I am currently wearing. This is by Wonsii Wraps. I previously just filmed and posted a video of me demonstrating and showing you guys different styles of the Wonsii Wraps. If you guys want to purchase this wrap, it's a versatile wrap. You could pretty much make as many styles as you like. As you guys can see, they just made their exit stage left. Yes, if you guys like to purchase this wrap right here, please use code MAKEUPSY. That is all cap locks, and you'll receive money off. So yeah. Hi guys, MAKEUPSY here. Welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, please feel free to hit that subscribe button before you guys get started. This is not a typical video. I don't usually do talk throughs, but today is different. It is a new year. It is 2020. This is the year of 2020 vision, clear vision, new vision, pro vision. Okay. I just want to have good vibes, good energy into everything. I want to put God into everything that I do. But I am still young and I still make mistakes. I still learn every day. I'm not perfect, but I do love Jesus, and that's all that matters. He's the only person who could pretty much judge. So sorry to tell you, sis, you can't do it. No, it don't affect me. Judgment don't affect me. I just wanted to hop on here and just talk to you guys about what I expect from 2020, what I want out of 2020, and what I deserve out of 2020. So yeah, I just hope that you guys learn something, enjoy this talk through, watch me. I'm gonna be doing my brows, and I probably put a little eye makeup, you never know, but let's just go. So while I do my brows, I guess I could just talk while I do it. I don't really know where to start, to be honest. I'm just basically, this is like a turn on the camera and just film type situation. I knew I wanted to do this video, to be honest, and I'm sick too, so I was gonna lay down, but I just said, you know what, it's a new year, let's start doing things, let's stop procrastinating, and let's just do it. I don't like when people say new year, new me. Sis, that was yesterday. Like, let's not even do that. Like, that was yesterday. Boom, Houdini. Like, it's gonna take a while, you know what I mean? We're still human, we're still make mistakes, so it's gonna take a while for us to we just make note of it, you know what I mean? We make note of, well, I wanna do better, so I'm gonna do XYZ. I'm not going to accept XYZ. I'm not going to do that, you know what I mean? But I feel like this year is going to be really great, amazing. I have so much in store just to share with you guys that I just been getting blessed with, and I just been the type of person where I just been keeping it, you know, to myself, if that makes sense. Just want everybody to be basically motivated, I guess, to do better. Even if you feel like you are already doing better and maybe you had a good 2019. Everybody didn't have a good 2019, you know what I mean? But I think I had a half and half. Like, it started out pretty rocky, I'm not even gonna lie. That's a whole story in itself. I was filming and the camera just turned off. It's not dead or nothing like that. It just turned off completely. I've gotten better with procrastinating, but I want to do better. So I just said I'm gonna film today, and I'm just gonna turn the camera on. I'm just gonna talk, and that's exactly what's happening. Ooh, look how I just did that brow. I know y'all just seen that. That was just crisp. You know, I ain't even really put too much effort into that. And that's what you gas myself. But yikes. Starting out, I want to say I have so many blessings that are coming, and I can't wait to share with you guys. I'm pretty much the type of person where I like to keep blessings to myself until they transpire. So let's talking more moves type person, and it's just been me all the time. Even whenever I get up there, I still want to be the same, me, humble, because I feel like during my career, because being a chef and now inspiring MUA, well, not inspiring, MUA, I've learned patience. Patience probably was like the #1 thing for me. So going into 2020, I I don't expect me not to be patient for the blessings that are coming. I know that I'm going to be patient, and I have been patient this whole time, so I know, you know, good things are coming. But even then, I'm glad that I have the people who are around me also, and I'm also glad for the people, you know, who once played a part in my life too, because, you know, they taught me stuff, and I enjoyed those memories, and I enjoyed, you know, the time with them, you know what I mean? I just feel like now I'm at a point where I know who I am, and I'm pretty firm on what I believe in and what I will accept and won't accept. So going forward, I just know that things will be better for me and my situation and what I want to happen as far as my businesses goes, and my friends and my family and those who support me. I just know that good things are ahead. I still have a lot of work to do on myself mentally. And one good thing that I can say that I have, you know, that I'm starting to make a transitional change is to the way I eat. And the whole month of December, I didn't eat any meat. I ate it up until Christmas, and I was able to eat meat. And the meat I chose was fish. Once you transition to not eating meat, like, I guess your stomach is just like, we ain't finna accept that no more. Once you stop, it's like, and then you start back, it's not the same. And that is a good metaphor for life and people, and you quitting things, and you stop doing a certain way, you start living a certain way. Once you get from living how you live, and then you start making a change. When you start back doing that, or when you start hanging around the people who you once was in that type of situation with, it will feel so different. It will feel like, man, I don't feel like I fit. Like my puzzle piece ain't even fit into this puzzle. Come on now. That's good. That's good. Yeah. Your puzzle is never fitting. You start talking to someone, and then you start talking back to them. It just depends on who that person may be, because what if y'all didn't leave off on good terms? What if y'all did leave on good terms? Y'all just, you know, basically lost touch, if that makes sense. Y'all just went y'all ways. But that's different. I mean, like, you cut this person off, or they cut you off, and then you start talking to them, and then you just start to see, like, I start noticing, like, why I cut you off in the first place, or you just start noticing, like, it's just not the same. It's not authentic. It's not real anymore. It's like a figment of potential. A figment of potential. Like, this could be, but since we already broke that bond, it's never going to be. Put that in your Kool-Aid and mix it up, honey. It seemed like I've always had friends that were like that. That was like, they knew that the type of person I am, that I'm a listener. I'm a good listener. I give good advice. I'm always there for people. I'm always honest. I'm gonna give you the truth, and that's just that I'm that. Like, I never sugarcoated anything with anybody I've ever was friends with or in a relationship with. Never. Maybe they thought, like, nah, she's beneficial. I enjoy our conversations. Or however it may went. You know, I don't know. I can't say how other people was thinking. I can only say how I thought, because that's all I heard or all I knew. I never was the type of person where if something was bothering me, either I did say something and it didn't go right, or either I reacted to it and they didn't like the way I reacted. I've cut people off because I don't think I was receiving I wasn't benefiting anything. And I don't want to sound like the type of person where if I'm talking to you or if I'm your friend, I need to benefit. I mean, in any way, anything that you do, shouldn't you reap some type of benefit from it? I mean, that's what I feel. It don't have to be money. It doesn't have to be, you know, like physical things. It can just be, I want to be your friend. Can you be my friend? Can we just be friends type stuff? Or can you just listen to me? Can you just understand me? Can you just be a friend? Period. And I wasn't getting that. And I felt like I was just by myself. So I just walked away. It's not even a regret. I think I should have handled things different. But I mean, it is what it is. And I am the type of person where I don't want to say I don't care, because everyone cares. I just don't care that much. Like, enough to be like, I know you're toxic to me, and I know that you love what I can do for you, in a sense that I'm always there. You know what I mean? Anytime, I'm just always there person. That's beneficial to a lot of people. Shoot, if I need her, I know she's gonna be right there. Shoot, she's the only person I can count on. She's the only person who's there for me. She's the only person who can understand me. So yes, I'm going to I'm gonna keep using my benefits until it expired. Then I'm gonna have to use my credit card, put my digits up in there, and I'm gonna have to start paying $7.99 a month. And I don't want to do that. I don't want to start paying $7.99 a month. I want to keep using the premium because the premium is free. Put that in your Kool-Aid and stir it. Stir it up. I have to still put a smile on my face. I still have to be happy. I still have to live every day, day by day. I still gotta make money. My business still has to run. Check still has to get cashed. The ball still has to roll. And I can't complain because I thank God for that. It humbled me and it made me who I am today. I am proud of myself, and hey, you know, I'm a crybaby and I don't want to cry, you know what I mean? Because I will do that. I'm grateful. I'm humble for each and every individual, each and every step, every fall, every failure, every rejection. I'm grateful for it because I know who I am. I am a special human being. I feel like I'm an alien because nobody pretty much understands me and they look at me like I'm crazy. No, I just want better this year, and I know I'm going to get it. Better people, better opportunities, better goals, you know, a better relationship with God, a better relationship with my family, a better relationship with the friends that I do have. Yanni, Aisha, I love y'all forever and ever. Y'all my girls. Yes, I really appreciate y'all, you know, even the ones who are still dear and near to my heart. I still love y'all too. I don't want to have to keep naming names and then everybody be like, what are you saying my name? You know, you don't have to do all that. Yes, I'm excited. I spent my New Year's coming in at church, and it was so fun. I really didn't even want to leave. It was so much fun. We watched the movies. I helped out with the kids at church. They love me because they know, you know, say I love the kids or whatever. I'm just excited. And I just can't wait to see what else, you know, like what else. I'm already at where I think I need to be, and my YouTube is blowing up. We almost at 4K. What's popping? I'm 20 subscribers away from 4,000 subscribers. Like, that is dope. One day I'm gonna look back at this and be like, wow, I was really excited about getting to 4,000 subscribers. Now I'm almost at 1 million subscribers. Like, that is dope. I think I'm more so excited about what opportunities will open up for me. I worked hard. Like, I put in the work. I didn't ask for a handout. I did everything on my own with the help of Jesus and the help of my mom, you know, helping me my mom bought me my first ring light. She actually bought my second ring light. I bought me a stand. I bought me 2 stands. I worked hard on my YouTube. I started with my phone, and I'm still using my phone to record videos and edit and do all that because I'm dedicated, and this is something I love. I love doing YouTube. Like, YouTube is just like a whole different realm. It really is like a whole different realm of people doing so many interesting things, and you can build people whole lives changed off YouTube. And I just believe that mine will too. I want to be dedicated, and I want to continue to put out bomb content and to continue to have my supporters here and just, they get excited. You know, they want to get excited about watching my videos. You know what I mean? That is a feeling, like someone happy just because I upload it. I want more for my family. I know that my mom deserves the world, my sisters, my brother, my dad, you know, like my auntie. Like, I just can name. I know they all deserve more, and If God can use me to bless 1,000 people or bless 1,000,000, then let's get it. I'm ready. I love being able to help people and to see people happy about someone else helping them. That is dope. I just want to be the same, stay the same, but I want to get better, if that makes sense. I want to be better, make better decisions, choose better people. Just choose me every time. I'm tired of going last. It's my turn in line, and I'm on my way. I'm up next. And that's period. Something simple I wanted to talk to you guys, just basically to vent and to show you guys who I am as an individual. And I'm not who I used to be, and I'm better than, I want to be better than who I am. I always live by that. One of my teachers from a program that I was in, a work program I was in, used to say that all the time, that I'm not who I used to be, but I want to be better than who I am. That will always stick with me, because every time I go through something, I come out different. No matter what it is, no matter who, what, when, where, I always come out different. I'm never the same person that was then. No, I'm a different person, but my mentality is not the same. It changes every time I go through something. I'm like a caterpillar and a butterfly. And I'm grateful, I'm thankful. It's 2020. I cannot wait, like I said, to share with you guys all the good things that is in store for me. And I just can't wait to hear all the good things that you guys have in store as well. Go out, be great, have a great day, have a great year. It is 2020. Go